It is breakfast time. I have bacon with egg and rice, and Fleur got some pancakes which look like waffles and a banana and some juice, and it's included in the hotel. Good morning. We are on our way to exchange some money, and after that we are going to do the zip line. It's like a 5-minute drive from here, from the hotel, and then it's a huge zip line across the river, so we really want to do that. We are in Loboc right now, and we just changed our money, and we paid at the Palawan shop over here. We paid 300 and we received much less. We had to pay 10% fee, so 30 euros only fee, so that's crazy expensive. It is raining for us. The first time in the Philippines it's raining, and we just wanted to do the zip line. We have to wait a few hours. We just took a quick power nap because we are both very tired, and it is still raining. So maybe this is just a chill and edit day, and we will go for zip line in 2 days. Fleur is cleaning her shell, but there's still some leftover meat in it. You can hear the meat in there. We are out of our hotel again. And because of the rain, it is really humid right now. We are at Cream Hub right now, having a nice caramel iced coffee for only 50 pesos each, so that's €1.50 for 2. They clean up the garbage this way. Nice. We are looking for some bleach, so the shell will get very empty and clean. I want to watch a movie tonight, so we need some nice snacks. There are so many options. A girl on the scooter passed by. She was very wet, and we already feel the rain coming. It's gonna rain real hard. Oh, it's real hard. This is time. I'm wet already. I was walking in the rain for only 20 seconds, I think, and this whole paper bag is already almost broken. But we got at the 7-Eleven a nice toasty. It's really good. We just asked the lady who works in the hotel how we can go to the public market tomorrow, because we will be picked up there to go to the chocolate hills. And she said just wait here in front of the hotel, because they don't have bus stops, but we already knew that. And just tell them where you're going. So that's the plan for tomorrow morning. And now we are going back to the same place. We've both got a blueberry soda. It's really nice. We got bread with egg and some fries. Yeah, we paid another 100 for 4 burgers. And like, as you can see in this video, I couldn't see the buy one get one, so I was like, we both wanted one more cheeseburger, and now we got 4 burgers total. So it's a little bit too much, but
it was like €1.45 for 4 burgers. How is that possible?
Very, very nice. It is 10 PM right now. We are very tired. It was a nice relaxed day, and tomorrow we are going to do the Bohol Chocolate Hills. So make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.